Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So in our last video I have finished chapter 2 and today we will do question and answer. So our first question is, what is a formula? Explain with the help of an example. So I have indicated page number 18 here. So we will go to page number 18. Yes, so here is page number 18. Yes, firstly I want to tell you that you have to write the lines that I have underlined, okay? So the answer is of what is the formula is, formulas are used to perform calculations involved addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. This much you will write. Then from next line you will write, it is an expression that can handle cell address, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Then till here you will write. This is for what is the formula. And now in the other part of the question they have asked, explain with the help of an example. So one example also we have to give. The example is also there on the page number 18. One diagram is given for the example, elements of formulas in Excel. This diagram you have to make as an example. You will write this formula and you will indicate these labels. So this is also the part of answer number 1. Okay, again I am telling, for formula we are writing these two lines which I have underlined here, and then for example you will draw this diagram. Hope you all are clear. Now we will move to question number 2. Question number 2 is on page number 30 in your book. Okay, now in question number 2 they have asked, what is cell reference? Mention its type. Type I have written here already. Okay, types are relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference. And what is cell reference is on page number 21. Again I am repeating, type I have written here only, relative reference, absolute reference, mixed reference. And what is the cell reference? Answer is on page number 21. So here we are having page number 21. On page number 21 one topic is there, cell reference and its type. We will start from the very beginning of this topic. The cell reference that we use in the formula is known as the cell reference. For example, A1, where A denotes the column name and 1 denotes the row number. This much you will write. Okay, then you will write there are 3 types of cell reference, and these 3 types I have already listed here: relative, absolute and mixed reference. So this is the answer number 2. Now question number 3, what do you know about absolute reference? Explain with the help of an example. This third answer I have indicated page number 22. So we will go on page number 22. Yes, here it is, page number 22. On page number 22 the first topic is here, absolute reference. I have underlined the lines. Again I am saying you only have to write that lines that I have underlined. Absolute reference is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula or the another cell. To use absolute reference in the cell, you need to add $sign before the column and row number. And example also they have asked, so we are writing, for example, equals to $A, $1 plus $A, $2. This is the answer of answer number 3. Okay, now question number 4 is, explain circular reference with an example. Circular reference is again on page number 22. I have marked here page number 22. So this is the circular reference. I have underlined some lines. Again I am repeating, write only that lines which I have underlined. So from here we will write circular reference. A circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly. Then we will write the example. For example, if you enter the formula equals to A1 plus A2 multiply 3 in cell A2, you are making the formula to refer to its own cell value, which is not possible. Okay, a warning. Then cut this line. After a warning you will write, a warning will be displayed. You will, again I am repeating, which is not possible. After this what you will write, a warning. Then come to the next line, a warning will be displayed. Then come here and 0 will be returned in the cell containing formula. The status bar will also notify you that the circular reference is found in the workbook. This much you are clear. After this I am again repeating, you will write a warning. Then come to the next line, a warning will be displayed and 0 will be returned in the cell containing formula. The status bar will also notify you that circular reference is found in the workbook. This is answer number 4. Fine. Now again we will go on page number 30. Question number 5 is, what do you mean by a function? Name some of the functions. Okay, again 2 questions are there in one question. What do you mean by a function? First they are asking about the functions. So the what do you mean by the function answer is on page number 24, and then they have asked name some of the functions. So name of the functions I have written here: sum function, average function, minimum function, max function, count function, power function, etc. So names I have written here. And what is function? What do you mean by function? Answer is on page number 24. So we will go on page number 24. So on page number 24, topic is there functions. So here is the definition of functions. Functions are the pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. Functions save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formula. They accept arguments and return values. These 2 lines are for what do you mean by function. And name some function. I have already written some names here. Okay. Now the last question is, what are the rules to enter a function? This is again on the page number 24. So here is the subtopic, rules to enter a function. In this subtopic we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 rules here, and I have underlined all 4 rules. So this is the answer number 6. All 4 rules are answer number 6. Okay, so that's it. These are the question answers. And from 23rd your holidays are being begin. So please complete your work. 2 chapters we have done till now, and exercise of these 2 chapters I have provided you in form of pictures. Okay, they will be there on eCare portal in the form of pictures. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye.